You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be taking you through on how you can earn free crypto by participating in an activity on Binance called Learn and Earn. What you'll be doing is to take a course, a crypto course on Binance, and by participating, Binance will be rewarding you with the token, the project that you are actually learning from. So as you can see now, earn free crypto through learning, build your blockchain knowledge, complete quizzes, and earn free crypto. The most interesting thing about this thing is that you don't really need to do much, because the answer to all these quizzes, all these questions will be posted on our Telegram channel. So if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, I recommend that you join the Telegram channel, so that by the time I'll be ending this video, you see everything that is being done, so you can also go and copy the solution. The answer is very something you can do. You can finish all the quiz within less than 5 minutes. And let's get right into the video so that you can see what I'm saying. Now, this is it. Currently now, Binance, you can earn $2 by participating in WOO network, WOO. They said WOO network is a liquidity network that connects crypto exchanges, traders, and DeFi platforms. So if I click on start course now, you will see what it will bring. But before that, let me scroll down. So when you earn $2 participating in WOO network, you earn $1 participating in Luna, $1 UST, $1 ANC. Let's go down. Earn $2 in polls, earn 24.9 ANKR. Then welcome to crypto. Now, participating in all these things will allow Binance to give you these bonuses that you can withdraw. After 2 hours, the bonus will be deposited in your Binance wallet, meaning that the first requirement that is needed is for you to have an account on Binance. So if you don't have an account with Binance, make sure check the description box below or check our Telegram group to register using my link as a way of saying thank you to me. Just click on the link, register an account using your email, your email and your details, your password. So after registering, make sure you verify your account using your ID card. And after verification have been done, that is when you can now start participating in it. Now let me click on the activity rules so that we can check the rules of this opportunity from Binance. What is Binance Learn and Earn? In the light of the increased demand for blockchain knowledge, Binance is excited to announce its new education initiative, Binance Learn and Earn. Users can learn blockchain knowledge and complete quizzes for a chance to earn free crypto. So how to participate? Log in to your Binance and visit the Learn and Earn landing page. The second thing is to click on a course and then start the course. The third is to check your reward distribution after 2 hours. Then the fourth is to redeem the reward. Now, it said the reward must be redeemed within 14 days after the day of the distribution, meaning that if you don't redeem the reward, if you don't collect this reward that is given to you, after 14 days, it will no longer be valid. It will be deleted from your account. So doing that now, the first thing you need to do is to just click on start course. So after you click on start course, as you can see, these are information about WOO network. So you see these are the information. So it will ask me to log in, and I'll be doing that faster. So let me just pause the video so that I can log in. Now it's going in. No, I've successfully logged in into my Binance account. So after you've logged in into your account, you can scroll to see the information. These are the information. Normally, you are supposed to reward WOO token holders 50% of WOO. You're supposed to watch these videos and read everything about WOO network before you can answer the question. So when you read all these things, you'll be able to participate in the quiz and win the free $2. But there is an opportunity. When I click on start quiz now, you may not need to really read all again, because everything has been done by us. So you are expected to answer just 9 questions from this, and 9 questions, then you win $2. So the answer to these questions will be posted on our Telegram channel so that you can participate in this quiz activity and stand the chance to win all this. It will be dropped for all the tokens, all the all the projects that you've seen on the dashboard. If you have gotten any value from this video, I would just want you to give it a thumbs up. I want you to subscribe to the YouTube channel and make sure you comment your opinion by appreciating me, thanking me that you did a good job and you want more opportunities like this. Please make sure you do that. It's very, very necessary. Thank you very, very much. Make sure you join our Telegram channel. There are a lot of updates that has been posted and there will be more that will be posted again. Thank you and see you on the next video.